Welcome back to the channel Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover images from Android quickly and easily. So if you've accidentally deleted your photos, don't worry. Now let's get started. Step 1. First pick up your phone and open the Gallery app. This is the app where all your saved photos and videos are listed and organized by date or folder. Step 2. Once you are inside the Gallery app, locate the menu icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Then choose the trash option to open the next page. The trash folder stores recently deleted photos and videos for a limited time. Step 3. From this menu, you can see all deleted items listed there. Simply select one or multiple photos that you want to recover. Then tap on the restore option at the bottom left to automatically recover images from Android. This method works only within 30 days before the files are permanently deleted. After 30 days, the images may no longer be available in the trash folder. Step 4. Method 2. If you are using another gallery app like Google Photos, open the Google Photos app and go to the Collections menu at the bottom. Google Photos is commonly used for cloud backup and syncing your images across devices. Step 5. From the Collections page, tap on the Trash option at the top menu to see all deleted images and videos listed there. Just like the Gallery app, Google Photos keeps deleted items in trash for a limited period. This allows you to review and recover them before permanent removal. Step 6. Finally, choose one or multiple images that you want to recover. Then tap on the Restore option at the bottom and confirm it to automatically recover images from Android. Once restored, the images will return to your main library and albums. This is a simple and effective way to get your lost photos back. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.